Hey there, Tech family. Welcome back to Tech in English, the channel where we explore the latest advancement in the world of technology. In today's videos, we are going to dive into the top tech trends of current year. So if you are eager to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First tech news is artificial intelligence AI. One of the most exciting and rapidly varying field in technology is artificial intelligence or AI. From self-drive cars to voice assistants, AI is transforming the way we live and work. In this segment, we'll explore the latest AI application breakthrough and how they are impacting various industries. Next tech news is Internet of Things. The Internet of Things or IoT has become increasingly prevalent in our connected world, from smart home to industrial automation. IoT devices are realizing the way we interact with technology. Join me as we delve into the latest IoT trends, innovative use case, and their implication for our daily lives. Next tech news is blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology gained widespread attention with the rise of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. However, potential reaches far behind digital currencies. In this segment, we'll explore the latest development in blockchain, centralized applications, and how they're reshaping industries such as finance, supply chain management, and more. Next tech news is augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR. Have you ever wanted to step into a virtual world or enhance your reality with digital overlays? AR and VR technologies are making that possible. Join me as we explore the latest advancements in AR and VR, their impact on gaming, education, and how they're revolutionizing various industries. Next tech news is 5G technology, faster, more reliable, and capable of connecting billions of devices simultaneously. 5G technology is here to transform the way we communicate. In this segment, we'll uncover the latest developments in 5G, its implication for autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and the existing possibilities it holds for the future. Next tech news is cybersecurity. With our increasing reliance on technology, cybersecurity has never been more crucial. In this segment, we'll discuss the latest cyber threats, trends on cybersecurity, and best practice to protect ourselves and our digital assets in an evolving digital landscape. That's it, and thank you. Subscribe this channel.